No? It's carbon.
Alright, yo.
Back, boys.
See you, bro.
Alright.
Bye. Oh, that was a guy. Oh my, I love this guy.
Is this it? Manual, right? No, that's for you.
He had the stripe. How he has a stripe like on the front of his thing. I thought that was him. I forgot what he looked like. Hey. Oh, he's coming. He's coming.
That's what she said.
Oh. Oh. I'm just here to toll. I don't want no damn little car.
Creep, you want to bust an oil pan?
Hey.
Stop lying. You want to bust an oil pan?
Hell. Hey, don't mind me. I'm crazy, you know that.
Fully crazy. It's okay. Sometimes you're crazy, sometimes you're not crazy, okay? Let me tell you something. You're not going to be crazy every day, okay? Sometimes you're going to be regular. Sometimes you're going to act crazy.
All this shit. Alright, see you, man. Drive safe. It's so low. Shit is clean.
I didn't really mean to roll it.
I'm gonna touch it. They're probably like, what the hell? Touch what? Yo, I seen like, what the fuck is that?
Garage.
Oh. Oh.
No.
What? I think I've seen this hero before, maybe. No, that's the one I was talking about. Oh.
Somebody's talking about it?
Yeah. This guy has a. Yes, he went nuts over it. Something's purring. Oh, naked man. Oh no, naked man. Oh, they stopped them. They stopped. She's some nice kinetics.
That's how much I love.
Well, Krispy Kreme, Wednesday meet. They talking about going to jail, so I don't know. But vlog is life, so we have to keep going. And this motherfucker's doing YouTube. Oh, it's the Popo. We got to go. That's not nice. I've only seen this shit like one time. I've seen this on a Lamborghini, like that's it.
Why is it so shiny?
Because it's pretty.
How much does that shit cost?
She's so short.
That is like 10K. So we gonna this way. Alright, cool. And then yeah, I guess you gonna hit DC. I'm gonna keep going.
Yeah, I can't believe you're already here.
Oh,
Yeah,
oh
you know,
shit. And this,
Stuck to a thorn bush is lovely.
oh, I hate
Wait, are
it.
we gonna be good, man? I'm
Hold
all
up.
the time on air, man. Don't do me dirty.
Hey,
No problem. No problem. Hey, if I get a blowout, you better stop.
And that's the dream, too.
don't go on, Rob. Jump on your hood. Alright, I'll put him on Instagram.
She's back!
I will jump on the hood. Sorry, it's your fault for making it look so nice.
You want to race? Come on! V-Tech! Yeah. I didn't even get the start up, man. Oh, damn it. Oh, no, no. I'm gonna kick you. I'm gonna kick you.
I went ahead and
This is festivities. I don't know what the hell's going on, but I'm just gonna record it. Motherfucker! Kick him in the penis. Kick him.
Clothesline.
He scared me, so I kicked him in the penis. Look at me, though. Y'all don't know what she's doing. Call the police. Come on. Call the police. They're beating each other. Just call the police. That's all you got to do. They're a little slow, these people. Cause call the police on them. They're crazy. They're a little short in the head.
What?
Oh no, that was a joke.
Alright, don't ever say that again.
What the fuck?
My grandfather's a veteran nut. Don't ever say that. It's not
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.